happened here. Did someone try to call for help? Some footprints leading away from the car. Someone ran off. Looks like someone was in a hurry. I can see broken glass. Was there an accident?